everyone, Lexi here and welcome to Train Insane, a video series that will teach you how to fly your FPV drone and exceed your peers while doing so. First of all, some information. If you are not familiar with what's on your screen right now, pause right now to familiarize yourself with all of the information. This is how I'm saving time. Second of all, this video is brought to you by Torval, FPV24, tadaaaah, and some smaller sponsors that you will see throughout the entire thing on the bottom of your screen. So thank you guys very much for doing that. And next thing, today we're gonna be learning how to turn. This is a really basic type of a maneuver, but this is something that we should kind of start with. But if you are even a more advanced pilot, stay with me because there may be a couple of things that you are not yet familiar with. So let's start here. So let me start with a little bit of a cheat sheet of what level you're on. So if you are just a beginner pilot, you may be making a couple of mistakes that are absolutely okay. So you know that this is how you turn, but you are kind of overshooting the entire thing and you are trying to hit those velocity-drone signs as well. Now the thing is, you don't really need to hit those velocity-drone signs, not at all. Look at this. I'm just gonna go straight through. Those flags are there just to show you where to go, more or less, so don't bother with those. Now if you are more of an intermediate pilot, you may kind of get a little bit ballsy and your flight is gonna feel a little jerky, and yes, it looks really fast if you do it this way, but not necessarily really be fast. I mean, you have to do a lot of corrections. Yes, this looks really fast and really cool, but probably not the thing. Now, if you are a really advanced pilot, you probably know that there is much more to the movement than it is being said, because smooth is fast and smooth is slow. So going slower but smoother will actually get you through the best possible results, as you can see on the table right here. Now let's just discuss this table. If you are flying for around 30 seconds or more, you are probably around the beginner level. What I would like you to do is to, one, ignore those little velocity-drone logos. You don't have to hit them. You just have to hit the gate. You just have to go through the entire thing and absolutely ignore it on the flags in this particular race setup. Just ignore them and just try to work on your general turn. So just on the yaw and roll, how to make it in the best possible way. And you don't have to use much throttle. Use around like 20–30% of throttle while you are flying to make it the best possible experience for you. Now for intermediate pilots, what I'm usually saying is the best is to, one, record everything that you are doing or rewatch everything that you are doing, like your fastest laps or whatever, and see if you are touching the walls, as I will show kind of here. If you touch the walls in here a lot, that means you are probably using a little bit too much of an input. So your flight is jerky, it's not smooth at all, and it makes it a little bit looking crazy. So everything looks super crazy and you are like, yeah, but I'm going so fast, but it's just sometimes crashing and things like this. Just try to put some type of a limit on your throttle. You can put literally a Q-tip that you just clean your ears with and just tape it somewhere around here, just to not use more than 40% of throttle. And with time, while you are getting better at the smooth flight, take it away and add more throttle with time. Now, if you are below 15 seconds, you are already doing a really great job. Congratulations. And all I want you to do is just to train your pre-positioning. And what pre-positioning is, you probably noticed while I was flying, is that while I'm going through this gate, I'm already prepared for this one. If you are an advanced pilot, you will be able to go through this entire loop within one movement of your sticks. And the same goes in here. I'm not really compensating much towards this movement. It's just still the same type of a movement, and you can just hold it in because you know how your drone is reacting. And just as a little challenge, try to do this track within around 11 seconds. Can you do it? Doable? Doable. The track name is available down below in the description box and in the pinned comment, so be sure to check it out. And if you need more information about how to do certain things and you want to learn more about FPV, please consider joining FPV Academy, which I'm also leaving you a link to down below. We also have a membership in which we are going through people's progress each and every one of the months in the live calls, so be sure to check it out if you are interested in some live real coaching with a group of other people. That's all that I had for you today, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up to help me make algorithm happy. In the next video, we're gonna be talking about throttle control, so you will be able to stay within this really nice low lane without doing up and down and up and down and kind of losing the whole thing whatsoever. So be sure that you will join us even if you are a more advanced pilot, because those basics are actually making the whole difference. So again, thank you very much for watching, and I'm gonna see you next Saturday on Train Insane. Stay awesome, fam. Bye!